Hey guys, it's me again, Elise, and I'm back with another Nadula hair store video. In my previous video, I shared with you guys how I was able to get my natural hair to grow while wearing protective hairstyles, and it was featuring Nadula hair. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was able to achieve that nice blunt haircut. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what the hair originally looked like. It is 22 inches in length, and I went ahead and I purchased these clippers from Walmart. They were super affordable, somewhere in between 10-20 bucks. If I'm able to find a link online, I'll be sure to link it down below. But yeah, they're super affordable. Yeah. So I went ahead and I removed the guard from the clippers, and now I'm just going in and I'm cutting the hair. You do want to start off longer than what you want and then just kind of work your way up. See, I cut off a little more hair than what I really wanted to. However, at the end, it did work out, so no big deal. Now I'm just kind of going in and just cleaning up those long straggly pieces that I may have missed, just to kind of sharpen up the cut and make it look nice and clean. Now I'm just going to bleach the knots. Now this particular day, I don't know what was going on in my mind, because I usually like to keep the consistency of the bleaching paste nice and thick. However, today it was really watery and I damaged my hair. It went completely through the lace and got all over the hair, and there was bleach spots all over the place. So yeah, make sure that you keep the consistency of your bleaching paste nice and thick. Okay, don't be me, don't mess up. But yeah. So I went ahead and I washed the hair out, conditioned as usual, and this is the very next day. I added a little bit of that Kim Kardashian black seed oil or dry oil, something like that, just to add a little shine, as well as to use it as a heat protectant. And now one thing that I noticed about this Nadula hair is that although it is the Indian straight hair, the more that I flat iron the hair, the more it tends to wave up. I'm not sure if it's because of my flat iron. Maybe it's expressing some steam and it's causing the hair to wave up slightly. But yeah, that's like the only thing that I noticed. I spent a lot of time flat ironing this hair, and it just never got completely straight like I like it. But yeah, it could just be my flat iron. Don't really know. So yeah, this is the next day after that, and I got, dressed up. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on, and that is where I messed up on my wig. Don't click off the video yet, because I'm going to show you guys how I was able to fix it. So yeah, just be patient with me. But now I'm adding a little bit of gel in front of my hairline, and I'm just going to press down the lace. This just kind of temporarily adheres the unit down. You can use the nadulatb gel. However, I find that, a nice strong holding gel works perfectly fine. Now you're going to take this time to just kind of do up your baby hairs the way that you like it. Nothing new. Just, take a toothbrush, brush down them baby hairs. So now, in order to fix those bleached out spots, I'm taking an old mascara wand. There's still a little product on the wand, and I'm just applying it to those areas where you see the hair is bleached at. Now you can use hair dye. However, I'm more like a touch and go. If you want to permanently fix it, yeah, use a hair dye, but me, a mascara works perfectly fine. So yeah, that's what I did in order to fix it. And yeah, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of my foamy wrapping mousse to the top of my head, just to kind of get rid of that bulkiness, that bulk look. Because I like the top of my wigs to look nice and flat, because it looks like, your own hair. It looks really realistic. So yeah, this is pretty much what we're working with. Now, you guys all know me. I tend to not really care for hair to be in my face, because I have a very prominent jawline, facial structure. So I just went ahead and I tucked the hair behind my ears, and yeah, do a quick little 360. So you guys do check out Nadula hair. I have all the information provided down in the description box below. If you guys check the cards above, I will link my previous video from Nadula hair, as well as in the description box below. So yeah, you guys go ahead and check them out and let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.